Okay, so if you have a Windows machine, you can use Word to complete this. It's not as good. It's not going to give you the benefit of understanding Photoshop, but it will allow you to complete this assignment. So what you're going to do is you are going to create a label. Right now, I don't have directions for creating a box, but you can simply insert a shape, and you can choose a number of shapes here for your label. Let's just say it's a rectangle, then I can draw the rectangle. Now notice it's given me the width and height, so I know that beforehand before I begin. And let's say I want it to be, approximately 6.5 by 2.5. Okay, so there is that. Now you have all of these tools. You have your shape fill, and you can change that. You can say no fill, and you can have a line instead. And here you can see you're going to have some options for things if you want to insert some sort of picture you already have. Perhaps you draw something and then you take a photograph of it and insert it that way. You could do that. You could rely on some of these shapes that are available in Word. So, maybe I want to utilize something that is existing here. I can do that. I can use the text tool. I can make a text box. I can, be a little fancy with word art. You're definitely not going to have the advantages of what you have in Photoshop, but you can do some of these design elements this way. So if I wanted to, change my typeface, I can do that as well. So play around with what you can do. See as creative as you can be using Word as your design tool. Again, if you have any questions, reach out to me. If you email me, maybe we can get together in a chat today and I can help you with this. So do the best you can, and good luck with it.